Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to see 10 lines on solar system and planets. The solar system is made up of the sun and everything that moves around it. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The planets move around the sun in a path called an orbit. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. Venus is the hottest planet and shines brightly in the sky. Earth is the third planet and the only one with life. Mars is called the red planet because of its color. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Uranus and Neptune are cold, faraway planets full of gas and ice. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.